What's up guys, Tim Queen here, welcome back to my channel, and today is really a reason for celebration. I finally cracked the 2000 subscriber marks here on YouTube. And that really has an amazing journey. I remember how I started out and I had 0 subscribers and I was so worried that I might not get anyone to subscribe to this channel. I was really putting a lot of effort and it took like forever to get like my first 10 subscribers. It really took a really long time to get from 0 to 1000 subscribers. It took me over a year's time. Now from 1000 to 2000 has just happened in a couple of months and I'm steadily growing. I'm super excited how many people are enjoying my content, and that only happens thanks to you. So big thank you for subscribing to my channel. I have big plans for 2020 and 21 with this channel. You're gonna see a ton of content coming out in the coming weeks. I've recorded so much footage. I'm out here filming like another day, getting another 2-3 hours of video content that really helps you grow your business on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on TikTok, that helps you to understand how to use advertising to drive even more traffic, how to use content marketing. Now today we're going to do something really cool. I'm going to ask you for your opinion. What do you want to see on my channel? What are your burning questions, your burning business challenges that you want me to help you solve? Let me know in the comments below, and the best content idea, not only will I make this video, but you will also receive a free copy of my LinkedIn Profile Optimizer course. So I'm gonna announce the winner in 3 days in the pinned comments below. Make sure that you leave your comments down below as quick as possible. You can share multiple ideas. Each idea has a chance of winning. Yeah, I see you in the next video. I'm super excited. Let's get to 10,000 this year.